Hello my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am super excited because I received my Echo Park box and I wanted to do an unboxing video. So you guys can see I just opened it up so that way it's a little bit easier for me to get everything out. But I wanted to show you guys what I got, and I'm super excited because I'm opening this with you guys. These boxes are warehouse boxes. They are normally $50 shipped with free shipping. And so anytime that I get the email, I try to grab at least one of them because I love them so much. So let's go ahead and see what I got. And disclaimer, this was bought before the beginning of the year. They had their Echo Park boxes, I believe, towards the end of the year. I think it was like the last week of December they had them. So I decided I was going to get them. So let me just go ahead and open it up. And I'm just going to pull everything out and put it up front. There we go. So that way you guys can see and we can all see what we got. Just gonna throw this stuff in here. Okay, super exciting. So the first thing I got in my box was these puppy stickers, and these are from the summertime collection. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That little unicorn guy. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so adorable, and I need more puffy stickers, so I got those. I got these mini paper flowers, and this is from Once Upon a Time. I actually have this collection, so that'll be a lot of fun to play with and have those. So that's the collection that it came from. And then it looks like these are from Once Upon a Time prints. I didn't even know they had a Prince one. Sorry about the glare, guys. But this is it's nighttime, and you guys probably would not see these very well if I did not have my ring light on. But really cute. Love those. Love, love, love. So far, so good. I also got this Echo Park embossing folder, and this is from the My Favorite Christmas. That's really cute. You guys see? Oh my goodness. I don't really like a whole lot of embossing folders, but this one's really pretty. It's got like little reindeers and Santas. I think I could use that one so well. It looks like I got 2 washi tapes. So this one is from Home Again. I love it, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's got like a wood grain. It's so cute. And then this one is from Scenic Route. Super cute. It's got like little buggies. If you guys hear my daughter and my husband downstairs. She's singing. I got some chipboard phrases. Oh my gosh, guys. This is from the Magical Adventure. I do have this collection. I love that. So cute. So I got those. And I got these. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited about this. This is from Cartabella, and this is Home Again. So cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, now on to, it looks like the paper pads. This is like a good stack of paper. Like really a good stack of paper. And let me grab my scissors really quick so I can open these up for you guys. I'm just going to flip through because I don't know how much time I have on my card. So it looks like I got Summer Camp, and then I got the Warm and Cozy. Ooh, these look like they're going to be so much fun. So this is the Summer Camp one. It's a 6x6. I'm just going to flip really quickly through them. Super cute. And then I got the Warm and Cozy. Oh, I love this one. Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. for like just like a whimsical card. Oh my gosh, I love it. Sorry guys, I went really fast, but I don't know how much time I have on this card. So the next one is going to be Summertime Adventure. Ooh, I really like this one. This one looks like it's a lot of fun. So this is just one-sided. I'm just going to go really quickly. Really, really cute papers. Love, love, love this. We don't do a whole lot of camping, but I will definitely use it. Oh my, this is gorgeous. This is a card of, I think it's a card of Bella one. Oh, yes. So this is a spring market. Super pretty. And I think I might actually have some of this paper. I don't know if I have like all of it, but I know I have, I think I do. I do have some of it because this looks very, very familiar. I'm super excited about this, guys. So got a 12 by 12. I'm not going to open this up, but this is the stripes and dots one. You get all of these. These are really, really cute. I use these all the time. And same goes with these. I'm not going to open them up. I'm just going to show you guys. So I got this card of Bella Elle Vogue, I guess. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love Paris theme anything. So I will definitely be using this. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about that. I also got this Let's Travel. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. I love the flamingos. I just love all of this. I can't wait. Oh, these little sunglasses. Super cute. And that's what the back looks like. I guess I should show you the back of that one too. There's that one. Oh, look at the Paris. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited about this, guys. I have this collection, but I love it. I love everything about this collection. I don't think I might have just a few pieces. I don't know if I have like the full thing. I think I have this sheet. I know I do. But I don't think I have any, like, I don't think I have this piece of paper. So this will be really a lot of fun for me to play around with. And then we have Easter. Ooh, I love, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is the Easter one. And I don't have that many Easter things, so it's awesome that they gave me this one. And then they also gave me this one, which is spring. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the little rain clouds. So adorable. And then here's the back of that one. Like I said, I'm not going to open these up just because it probably would take me a lot of time. Okay, so it looks like the last thing they gave me was some sheets of paper, just like regular paper. And so this looks like it's from Christmas time. I love this side. So they gave me, let's see, 4 sheets of this one. Very, very cute. I probably would use it for the other side. I wouldn't use it for this side. I'd use it for the green. And then it looks like they gave me Teacher's Pet, which is just like a, I don't even know. It's like a burnt orange and then, or burnt red and then an orange color. So guys, I am pretty excited about this. Like, I think I hit the jackpot with this one. Super happy with what I got in this box. I mean, it's well worth the $50 to get these, especially with how much paper I have now, and just all the other things like the chipboard pieces and the 6x6 and the washi tape, the embossing folders, and then these are super cute, and then these are super adorable. So guys, I am super excited that I got this. It is definitely worth it. Like I said, I will not be spending any more This was towards the end of the year, and I just wanted to buy them because I know that they sell out really, really quickly. And yeah, I was like, you know what? Just get it and it'll be good. So I know I will probably be saving some of my